Leo weni backbencher ndani ya S-Class tukiingia Ruiru, jibambe mazee, backbencher ndani ya S-Class tunaingia in style kwa hii vlog ya leo. Welcome back to another episode. If you're new here, on Moyo on Sinyo is all about travel, it's all about tours, touring different cities, different towns. But if you're not new here, already umesubscribe najua. Leo najua nimeanza nikiwatishia hapo mazee, imeanza nikani documentary fulani. But welcome back to our weekly vlogs. Leo tumeingia Ruiru. Tumefanya 4 weekly vlogs so far mazee. Hizo views ni mob, lakini subscription inabidi leo mazee mpost kidogo, msubscribe ndio tu support hii channel ina grow. So kama umeland kwa hii video for the first time, hebu take some time. Kama umefika hapa najua imeku nice na unapenda content kama hii, so piga subscription, piga like, tuanze ku grow pole pole. Thanks for taking a moment to subscribe. Endelea kusupport nikiweka videos, najua mtaicheki na mtakimbia pale kuicheki. So thanks so much juu umesubscribe. Karibu sana to Ruiru, the town that turned from sleepy coffee estate to booming metropolis. Hapa ndo tunaweza sema Ruiru imegrow faster than venye chapozi udisappear kwa bash. Throw in the Thika super highway, you could drive all the way from Nairobi CBD to this Ruiru in no time. Kama sahi Ruiru ni dormitory ya tao ya Nairobi CBD juu ni affordable kukaa huku, na bado unaweza drive all the way from CBD to huku bila stress. Hapa we are headed to Kihunguro, coming from Ruiru bypass. To your left, that is the Mark Hotel. That big building over there, that is the Mark Hotel. This is the Kihunguro Shell exit. So if you want to go to Ruirundani, this is where you exit to go all the way to Ruirundani. But if you're going all the way to Juja, unaendelea na highway. Editor mnoma Kenya mzima mazee, nime split screen hapo. So to your right tunaendelea na Thika Road, to your left hii nafaa kuingia Ruirundani. So if you stick your eyes to your left, utaona all the way to Ruirundani, utaangalia venye uki exit Ruirundani na kaaje. but ukiendelea kwenda mbele, so sisi tunaendelea na Thika Road. So leo jibambe, alafu hii kazi yote mazee uweze nyima subscription. On your left, look to the left, that is Maisha Mabati. So najua huku, najua that is in Ruiru, so hiyo ni Maisha Mabati. On your right, still on Thika Road, hapo ni Astral Petrol Station. Sasa tuko place inaitwa Guakairu. We are about to exit tuingie Spur Mall.
Picking up the pieces of a broken heart, yes I was chosen. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken.
Talk about shopping in Ruiru. Hapo kuna the brand new Carrefour branch yenye imefunguliwa hapo ni the Nord Mall. So on your left, hiyo ni the Nord Mall, hiyo ni Carrefour branch mpya fiti sana, ilifunguliwa in the year 2024. Alafu on your right screen, hapo mbele there is that building, that is the Spur Mall, which has been around for a few years. So that gives you the best shopping experience within Ruiru. Utajua Ruiru ni place fiti sana. That is a drone footage. Hapo mbele bado that is the Spur Mall, na hii ndio highway inaonekana hivi ikienda Juja. So right now we have exited Thika Road and now we are headed towards the Spur Mall, and you can see the kind of convenience you can get while in Ruiru because of these amazing shopping malls. So that has been the journey all the way from Bypass. So we started all the way from Bypass, we came to Kiunguro and then took a split. So you've gotten a chance to see Ruiru ndani, you've gotten a chance to see how the highway leads you all the way here. And I think you've seen some amazing things along the way. Na najua wase wengi wataniuliza hapo mazee, Omoyo Onsinyo, umetembea Ruiru, haujatuambia kama wase wanaishi huko ama kama wanaishi wapi, cost of living inakaaje. So yes, Ruiru ndani, Kihunguro, sides za Ruiru all the way to Bypass offers the best and secure spaces for rent. Nimeulizia around 1 bedroom houses zinaanzia 15k na 2 bedroom houses zinaanzia all the way from 18k. Utajiamulia kama hiyo ni cheap ama expensive. So we are about to go to part 2 of the video, but before that tutachukua break kidogo, alafu tukirudi tutawapeleka Bypass tuonyeshe what Bypass in Ruiru iko nayo. So this is a short commercial break for you, our viewer, to take a moment to subscribe. Kama uja subscribe, to hit that like button, tukingoja part 2. This is the Eastern Bypass, majorly referred to as Ruiru Bypass, which was completed back in the year 2021. So this bypass starts from Mombasa Road near JKIA, goes all the way through Ruai, Utawala, then under Thika Road, and ends at the Ruiru Kiambu Junction Road. So up here it is the Thika Super Highway, and down there that is the underpass headed to Kamakis, all the way to Ruai, all the way to Utawala. Play your games, as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Most of you mnajua hapa sana because of Kamakis, place mnakujanga on weekends kukula nyama. Ama ukulangi nyama?
What we've done, a chance to rebuild what was won with honesty.
So those cars hapa chini, they are exiting Thika Road, probably headed to join the Eastern Bypass.
Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? Then I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name.
Oops, ndio hiyo YouTuber wenu, so allow me nishuke pole pole. So I'm getting off from the main Thika super highway. Nashuka hapa chini, kuna ka footpath naelekea hapo chini bypass. So I'm planning to take a ride boda boda and then niende all the way to Bridgeport and back. Hapo katikati mtakuwa mmeona place yenye watu wanakula nyama, mtakuwa mmeona what is along the way, alafu we'll tell you more about the Eastern Bypass. So this road has transformed commuting and land values. Hapa ndio realtors wanafaa kunisponsor, sponsor hii channel so that you can showcase plots in Ruiru and their value. Junajua hapa kupata a piece ni kama kupata a piece of gold pia. So realtors, mmeicheki mkiona hii video, I can promote your properties. Hebu kuja tupige makazi.
Because
this is the green spot, na hapa ndio tunageukia. So that has been the tour around Ruiru and Ruiru Eastern Bypass, and you've been able to see what Ruiru is today, from a coffee estate to malls, universities, health clinics to banks. This is what Ruiru is, and kusema ukweli Ruiru imekuwa ni kama the real Nairobi East sasa. Thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end. Najua mmejibamba, video imekuwa fiti. Thanks for your continued support. Naomba muendelee kunisupport hivyo hivyo, and this is the end of the video. Stay tuned uone venye behind the scenes ilikuwa. Hi. We are about to do something for you, something amazing. Mambo ni live, mambo ni live, mambo ni